Firstly, this piece is written in G major. Therefore, the first chord is G, and fifth chord would be D. And the seventh chord is the F sharp diminished. For the first phrase on the left hand, we'll use the chord 1, 1, chord 5, and 7. As you can see, to play from 1 to 5, you simply drop the lower two fingers down by a note. And to play from 5 to 7, you simply move your thumb down from D to C. Now let's add in the right hand melody. For the second phrase, on the left hand, you play 1, 1, chord 5, and back to chord 1. Now let's add the melody. The chorus is very straightforward. You simply play chord 1, 1 again, 1, and then 5. Now let's add the right hand melody. As you can see, you don't really need to move your right hand position. For the last phrase, we'll use the chord 1, 1, 5, 1 to end. That's a perfect cadence.